Okay, this is the NVM 95 waterproof grill, dual grill drop, so dual side. So this is the front wheel, this is the back wheel. Back wheel have the screw on the back and the battery recharge. So first step for the register, star hash. So first step is the master pin code for the register.
Administrator verification complete. Administrator setting. Please press 1. User setting. Please press 2. Delete user. Please press.
Add user.
Or enter user code or read card. Please do again. Please do again. 0, 1, 0. Register completed.
So return. So when need to add the
please verify administrator.
So add master admin code. So you can add the master admin for the fingerprint also. Fingerprint or the card. So just now is this is the master and the master pin code 1 2 3 4 5 6, or card also can. So add the Wi-Fi device is need the back panel. So stand by your apps. Tuya Smart or the Smart Life also can. Add device. Door lock, Wi-Fi. So the passcode, internet. So just now the back panel, pairing in the back panel.
Please verify administrator.
Master admin code or master admin fingerprint.
Administrator verification.
Oh, sorry, is the add the Wi-Fi device is 2 hash.
Please verify administrator.
So ask your master pin code or the fingerprint.
Administrator verification complete.
So just now is the next eject mode. Just now waiting the configure. So the Wi-Fi smart all is the pairing is 2.4 GHz, not support 5G.
Operation complete.
So complete. So what is the Wi-Fi can do? When any people have the outside press the door, this is press doorbell, it requires remotely 4 hash. So request for the unlock.